What's up, guys? Caleb here from the Srkcycles.com, and it is a good, cold Monday afternoon here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and you are looking at one of my favorite of the Softail line, a 2010 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. Oh, sorry to dump the camera up there. This bike sounds awesome. I think they're Screaming Eagles on there. Great sounding, great looking bike. Obviously, it's got the 96 cubic inch, 6-speed transmission. Guys, you might want to do a little bit of leather conditioner on these bags. I mean, I personally think they're fine. I don't think they're that bad. I mean, the Heritage bags, they're kind of an anomaly. They tend to just kind of wear over time, but it's leather, so I mean, just condition them. That's what I'm a fan of, conditioning them. I cleaned them up, put some stuff on them, but you use a little more love, conditioning love, but they're good on the inside. As you can see, they just wear. Look at that, because that's covering that. They just wear on the outside, fade a little bit. Great looking bike though, guys. I think it's got right around like 16K on it. Rear fender looks good. Rear tire looks good. Like I said, the bags are a little bit faded. All in all though, I mean, we got a couple like rusty bolts, like right there. All in all though, guys, this bike's pretty nice. I'm a huge fan of these Heritage. I think they run so good. They're so smooth. I think they're a great ride. I'm a taller guy, and still I have no problem with them. Chip right there, and looks like he touch-up painted it. It was right on the pinstripe there, and he touch-up painted it, if you can see that. It's got this highway bar, no lower fairing, no lower chrome lowers. This all looks good. The Heritage Softail logo looks nice and shiny. This all looks good, guys. Front tire looks good. Yeah, plenty. Yeah. Love when you can see yourself in the reflection of the bike. Look, you can't ever go wrong with a black Harley. Note, he does have rear passenger boards on here. They are a little bit, worn underneath. But the boards are actually really nice. You must have had a wife that wanted the boards. Top of the tank's in great shape, guys. Yeah, just smudges. It's in great shape. I like this color thing here. 16,000 on it, like I said. Should fire up right away. Custom grips, just want to point that out there. Not Harley. That doesn't look Harley though to me. No, that skull's not Harley. Guys, if nobody buys this bike, the minute it gets warm enough, this is going to be my daily driver. I love these bikes, guys. They're so smooth, tons of power. They're great with a passenger. This one's got passenger boards on it. It's got the windshield. It's got the bags. It's got basically everything you can want, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. This bike does not. These bikes don't last long. They're awesome. One of my favorite Softail, if not my favorite Softail. I'm a sucker for a good fat boy, but great Softail. Let me know if it's something interested in, guys. Check out bikesandbeardsgear.com. Check out the Bikes and Beards channel. Make sure to check out the test drive on this bike. I'm going to have to do it in the freezing cold. It's going to be awesome. But thanks a ton for watching, guys.